Remove screw 1 using screwdriver. Remove screw 2 using screwdriver. Remove screw 3 using screwdriver. Remove screw 4 using screwdriver. Remove cover 1 using your hand. Remove audio phone using your hand. Remove screw 8 using screwdriver. Remove screw 7 using screwdriver. Remove circuit blue using your hand. Remove distance nut 1 using wrench. Remove distance nut 2 using wrench. Remove green nut 1 using wrench. Remove green nut 2 using wrench. Remove circuit green using your hand. Remove circuit box body using your hand.